In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add and remove your machine in CLAAS Connect. There are two options: onboarding a new machine through the digital handover, or onboarding a machine you already own. Please note, your organization needs to be validated before you can add your machines. If you've purchased a machine, your dealer will start the digital handover, sending you a notification by email and in the handover widget on your dashboard. Additionally, you'll see your new machine in the Machines tab that are grayed out. To get an easier overview of machines that are ready for handover, use the specific filter in the Machines tab. You can now arrange the handover either in the widget or in the Machines tab by clicking on Arrange Machine Handover. In the first step, you'll see information about the machine and the dealer initiating the handover. In the second step, you can choose who will take the delivery of the machine. Yourself, someone from your organization, or another person you authorize who is not part of your organization. Click on Continue to proceed. In the third step, the dealer proposes a handover date, but you can choose a date that suits you better. In the final step, you provide consent for data processing, allowing your machine to send and receive data. Without consent, your machines will go offline and won't send data. You can provide consent later in the service section of the machine. Make sure you have an active Machine Connect license, so the machine can send data. After giving consent and clicking Send, you'll receive a notification that the handover is confirmed and see the handover date at the specific machine. After the physical handover has taken place and the digital handover documents are signed, your machine is ready and set up for CLAAS Connect. To add a machine you already own, go to the Machine Overview and click Add Product in the top right. Select whether it's a CLAAS machine or one from another manufacturer. Enter the serial number. Confirm that you are the owner. Then click Continue. Now you can give the machine a name. And give the consent for data processing in order for your machines to send and receive data. Remember, without your consent, the machine will not send any data. This way you won't see machine data in CLAAS Connect. In the next step, choose the supporting workshop for this machine. If you don't find the supporting workshop in the list, use the search function. Click on Add Product. Your machine is now onboarded to CLAAS Connect. If you can't add your machine with the serial number, it may already be linked to another organization. In this case, please contact your dealer for support. If your machine is added but still gray, the chosen dealer must confirm the support for your machine to make it visible. Now, let's look at what to do with machines you no longer have in your fleet and want to remove from your organization. To do this, go to the Machines tab and select the machine you want to remove. Click on the three dots. Now you have the option to archive or delete a machine. If you hide a machine, it is still in your organization but not visible in the main overview. You can unhide it at any time. Deleting a machine will remove all its data permanently. There is no way to restore it, so proceed with caution. When you archive a machine, All data up to the point you click Archive will be stored, but no future data will be recorded. Now you know how to add and remove a machine from CLAAS Connect.